one. I thought you liked it, Rob. What the fuck is this even here for?
For target.
Oh, jeez. I thought the net was the target.
That's for people that play by themselves.
Careful.
You okay?
I'm sorry.
Good.
Shit. Yes!
Good save.
Motherfucker, no! No, motherfucker!
Yes.
Oh, shit.
I'm getting sick of your fucking shit, man. Fine. This give me the perfect song, too. Get out of my face. Go away from me.
Oh, watch out, she's got a stick.
Oh no.
If I use 2 sticks, do you think I'll be a better goalie?
You could try it. That's fucking skill.
Motherfucker, don't cross me.
This should be our theme song.
It is our theme song.
Oh, okay.
Now that you just said that. Yes! We soul sisters.
We are soul sisters.
Oh, that was a good shot to you.
Hold on, I want to try something else. Just so, yeah!
I'm getting good. Just not at protecting the goal. It's like flat now.
You don't like flat cans?
No, like the
No, fuck that. No, I'm scared of it.
Why? It's a can.
Yeah, I can do serious fucking damage.
Oh, thanks. Thanks. Do serious damage, but if it's
I would
to you,
never
it's
hit you.
I wouldn't hit you either.
Let's make more goalie.
Oh,
Why,
fuck.
you want to be the goalie?
I suck at goalie. But okay. I'm
I'm
good.
rocking it very much.
You could be.
Put the camera like here.
My head would be in the way.
You should probably stop that video.
I think the
It's
funniest
only
thing is when he slipped. I can't.